If you haven't finished your plant and seed shopping, it would be a good time to kind of wrap that up. It's also a good time to finish getting plants in the ground. In May, that's when our forsythia usually blooms, and that's when I prune my roses. So these have already been pruned, and as you can see, they've leafed out and they've got a lot of buds on them, and I can't wait to see the spectacular show. Now, where we live in the Northeast, I could tell you that now is a good time to plant trees and shrubs if you're getting new ones. If you aren't and you have some in place that could use a little TLC like mine can, you can see we need to weed around the edges. Now is a great time to get that taken care of. If you garden in containers, get those planted as well. I know I say this every time, but it still bears repeating. Don't forget to weed and water. It should be just kind of second nature by now. Here's some of the things we have growing at the Mountain Farmhouse in May. This is our coral bells, phlox, and another rose. I love this rose. Oh, it's got some buds. This bud's for you. And finally, enjoy the fruits of your labor. Gardening is time well spent, and the effort is well worth it.